Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to create a poll in WhatsApp. The process is really simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. Once it will be open that group or friend chat in which you want to create poll, just for example. And for showing you, I will open the chat of this friend and will create poll. So I am opening it now. Here you can see the message bar where I can send and write messages. From here, tap on this pin icon. And on the last, you can see the option poll tap here. Now you can write your question. And just for example, I am writing. After writing the question, here you have to add your answers, write your first answer, and here last. And you can also add more options in this poll. But for me, I think it's enough, and allow multiple answers. Enable this feature, and after enabling, tap on this send icon. So as you can see, the poll has been created, and send it to my friend. So it was a fundamental way by which you can create poll on WhatsApp.